The extreme dry weather afflicting the western part of the U.S. could have economic impacts affecting the entire country, especially when it comes to your food prices. As Camila Bernal explains, the drought is affecting the agriculture industry, including bees.
As a third-generation beekeeper,
this is a really good queen because she gets her pollen, the honey, and the brood.
Melanie Cardoso knows the industry and the challenges that come during a drought.
Impacts everything. There's no water, there's no food, plants for the bees to pollinate.
In the last 2 years, fires and drought have wiped out thousands of colonies, experts pointing to the root cause.
As we see climate change, climate increase in drought, and increase in heat wave events, we will see increased stresses on the bees.
The drought depriving the bees of their primary food source.
It causes us to have to feed them more.
And this intensified by the struggles of farmers like Joe del Bosque.
The land is ready. It's ready to plant. It's just waiting for water and plants to put in there.
Those plants also supply pollen and nectar that the bees desperately need. One industry intertwined with another and eventually passing on the stress to the consumer.
It's a problem of anybody that eats fruits and nuts and vegetables, because California grows about half of all the fruits, nuts, and vegetables in the United States.
Del Bosque Farms grows organic produce for Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, Costco, and others. But this year, the losses caused by the drought could be in the millions.
I'm extremely worried about the future, absolutely, because we have to see if we can survive this year first. We may not survive.
In the meantime, these business owners finding ways to deal with the losses.
We're thinking more money out of our pockets to feed them and to make sure they're getting the right nutrients.
And calling on a higher power.
I talked to different beekeepers from different states, but yeah, it's like the same thing there as it is here. They're just praying for more rain.
I'm Camila Bernal reporting.